Hello brethren, it's your boy David B, or you can call me Good Life, guys. You can call me Good Life. Yes, guys. I am back again with the updates on the trades that I posted few days ago. Yes, I'm back again with the updates on those trades which I posted like 4 to 5 days ago. Sorry, guys. Yup, remember, guys, I told you guys that when the trade is ready, I'll come online to let you guys know and let you guys know how to join me on that trade, guys. So now you can see clearly that this is NAS100 on my screen. Yep, we're looking at NAS100 on my screen. And guys, remember I told you guys that there was going to be a buy on NAS100, guys. That there's going to be a buy signal on NAS100. And what made me visualize this buy? What made me see this buy? Okay, guys, let me currently go back to the beginning of this trade on NAS100, guys. Let me go back to the beginning of this trade on NAS100, guys. Now you can remember that we can see that on the weekly time frame, NAS100 is generally on a buy, guys. NAS100 is buying. And remember, I always tell you guys that when the market is buying, the only thing you should be looking for is buy opportunities. You should only be looking for buy opportunities, guys. So now I scaled down to the daily time frame. I went down to the daily time frame to look for buy opportunities, and I saw price create a structure around there, guys. I saw price create a structure: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, guys. So now this is current price area. This is where price is as of right now. So I said yes, that this is a perfect moment for me to enter this trade, guys. This is a perfect moment for me to enter this trade. So what happened? Remember, guys, since I've seen that price was at this level, creating this sort of rejection, so I thought to myself, I said, okay, guys, since I used 2 confluence for an entry, I need price to break my counter trend line and also provide a structure for me and break that structure too. So I saw price do this. I saw price create this form of temporary retracement. So I applied my counter trend line, also applied my level for a break of structure, guys. And there you have it, guys. I went to the 4 hours time frame. Remember, guys, I use only the 4 hours time frame for break of structure. So I got an entry around there. I got the entry around there, guys. Yep, this was the entry I got around there. So that is it on NAS100. So my entry was looking like this. And before this, I used my Fibonacci retracement to know the overall target at which I'll be aiming for. I used my Fibonacci retracement. Yes, I used my Fibonacci retracement to know the level. So yep, this is my TP. So that's where I'm aiming for. So you can see, guys, remember I told you guys that when this trade is ready, I'll be bringing it live here for you guys to join me on this trade. So this is how my entry looks like. Yeah, this is how my entry looks like. Let me remove this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so now this is how my entry looks like. Here I'm on a buy on US30. My stops are beneath here. My stops are beneath that level, and yeah, my entry is around there. Bring it down a bit. Yeah, my entry is around there. Yeah, my stops are beneath this level and my entry is there. So I told you guys that I was going to buy US30 like 4 days ago. Yep. And also I apply a trend line to guide the new trend. That's to guide this new trend that is forming from this temporary retracement. So guys, I am on a buy on NAS100, guys. I already told you guys this, and I posted this trade late because as of right now, NAS100 has hit 100% retracement targets. Like NAS100 has gone 100% of the retracement targets. You get, so right now I am break even on this trade. I am break even on this trade because yep, I am no longer like in this trade for with any I'm no longer in this trade with a stop loss, guys. I am break even on this trade. So that is it for NAS100, guys. I told you guys that I was going to be buying NAS100, guys. So let's see how NAS100 plays out, because NAS100 has gone first TP. Let's see how it will make its way to the second TP, guys. And then the next trade I have for you guys is BTC, guys. I told you guys that when BTC is ready, I'm also going to bring you guys BTC, ETC, guys. If you have been following me for the longest, you should know that yes, I always come here and I drop you live good signals, guys. I drop you live signals. So in my previous video, I've already analyzed this pair and then showed you guys why I am looking for a buy on BTC. So guys, if you are not following me, make sure you do subscribe to this channel, give this channel a thumbs up, and then comment, and I'll keep making more videos like this, because I give you guys live trades. I don't mean trades that have passed, live good trades. So now this is the daily time frame, and why am I on a buy on BTC? Because I've seen that BTC is resting on the weekly time frame. BTC is resting at a very strong level, 1 2 3 4, and then currently 5. So now I scale down to the daily time frame and I'm looking at the retracement which is going on around here. And I can see that price, before then I applied my counter trend line, which is I applied my counter trend line from the swing high to the swing low of the temporary downtrend. Yes, so now I can see that price created a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and price created a lower high, failing to break below to create another lower low, but rather price created a higher low, and now price has broken above the neckline, broken above the structure to create what they call a higher high. But now you can clearly see something. I want to bring something to you guys. If you look closely at this structure, you see that price has just created a head and shoulder pattern. Yep, price has just created a head and shoulder pattern. Price has created this shoulder. Price just created this shoulder. Let's see, price just created this shoulder. Let me clone this. We clone and we clone. Price has created that shoulder. This is the head, and then price has created this shoulder too. So now on BTC we are having a good head and shoulder pattern, and then this is the neckline, which price has broken above the neckline with a candlestick, with this candlestick here, with this candlestick. So at the close of this candlestick we are entering this trade live. Yes, we are entering this trade live. So it's your boy Good Life, and yes, you heard it here first on my channel that BTC is going for a long buy. So if you're a swing trader, get ready to swing BTC, because BTC is going to make you a whole lot of money. So now this is how my entry will be looking like. Yes, my entry will be looking like this. I'll be going for a buy. So my entry will be looking like this. Yeah, my entry will be looking like this. A buy to this level, and then remember guys, as swing traders, you should not have like a level that you should keep your swing trades, your stop loss. Always keep your stop loss below the swing low of the current swing high you want to take on a buy trade. Keep it below the swing low. Keep your stop loss below the swing low, so that anything can happen, that price will come and start dancing, but you have given price enough room to do its thing. So right now guys, I am on a buy on BTC, guys. You heard it here first on my channel. Yep, I'm on a buy on BTC, guys. We are waiting for a close. At the close of this 4-hour candle, yes, we are going to be entering a buy on BTC. And then guys, don't forget guys, don't forget that on NAS100 we are already on a buy. We are already on a buy on NAS100, guys. We are already buying NAS100. We are buying NAS100, guys. I repeat, we are buying NAS100, guys. So whatsoever you do, do not sell NAS100. Make sure you are still buying. And I am currently on a break even on NAS100, so that I can be able to enter BTC trade and then make a whole good lot of cash, guys. So you heard it here first on my channel. Yep, like I said, I'm already buying NAS100, guys. I'm already buying NAS100, and yep, the next trade we are about to enter is BTC. So we're waiting for this candle close. At the close of this candle, yes, we'll be having an entry at the close of that candle. Yes, we'll be having an entry there at the close of that candle. So you